To deploy an ARM template for Azure SQL Managed Identity, start by understanding the key concepts involved. Azure Resource Manager templates, or ARM templates, are used to define the infrastructure and configuration for your Azure resources. Azure SQL Managed Identity allows your Azure SQL database to authenticate to Azure services without needing credentials. First, create a new ARM template or modify an existing one to include the Azure SQL Managed Identity. The template should include the necessary parameters, such as the subscription ID, resource group name, and location. Next, define the Azure SQL database resource and enable the system-assigned managed identity. This is done by setting the identity property to system-assigned. You can also specify user-assigned managed identities if needed. After defining the Azure SQL database resource, you need to define the role assignment for the managed identity. This involves specifying the role definition ID and the scope of the assignment. For example, you can assign the contributor role to the managed identity at the resource group scope. Once you have defined all the necessary resources and role assignments, save the ARM template and deploy it to Azure using the Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell. You can use the as deployment group create command to deploy the template to a resource group. After deploying the ARM template, verify that the Azure SQL Managed Identity has been created and the role assignment has been applied. You can do this by checking the Azure portal or using Azure CLI commands. Best practices for deploying ARM templates for Azure SQL Managed Identity include testing the template before deploying it to production, using parameters to make the template reusable, and monitoring the deployment for any errors. Additionally, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to deploy the template and that the managed identity has the required permissions to access the necessary resources. In conclusion, deploying an ARM template for Azure SQL Managed Identity involves defining the necessary resources and role assignments, saving and deploying the template, and verifying the deployment. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully deploy an ARM template for Azure SQL Managed Identity and take advantage of the benefits of managed identities in Azure.